Hello creative friends, Marjolaine Walker here with Faith Impressions and Gel Press. Today I'll be using the Gel Press Petite light bulb, as well as the Faith Impression cross, heart, and plate, and the Gel Press brayer. And here I'm removing all the packaging and throwing it out. This is new to me. I used to keep my gel plates in the packaging, which you're not supposed to do. And now I know. Please click the like button and subscribe to the Gel Press YouTube channel so you won't miss any episodes. Today I'll be creating a Bible journaling page in Psalm 27. I'll be using clear gesso and Ken Oliver's color bursts. One of them is a liquid metals in platinum. Before making this video, I was practicing to see what I liked. I realized I didn't like too much purple because it makes it too dark and hard to write on. But I did discover that I like the second pull better. So the one I'm showing you right now is the first pull, and this is the second pull, and I think it'll be easier to write on. To start, I'm adding some clear gesso to the brayer and rolling it onto the plate. And next I will tap on some purple and red color burst. It's best not to add too much. I find the purple comes out faster and it tends to be a little too dark. And now I'm adding some of the liquid metals platinum. And now I'm rolling some more clear gesso onto the plate. I will stamp first on the paper and then I will get my second pull onto the Bible page. Next, I'm using carbon paper to trace the words onto my Bible page. And now I'm going to trace over the words with a white Jelly Roll pen. To create some extra elements to add to my page, I am using the same process with the clear gesso and the color burst. Instead of using a brayer, I used a soft plastic palette knife. felt like these pieces needed a little bit of contrast, so I'm just using some distress ink around the edges. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.